I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a GMC Yukon key fob. First, gather all your existing and new key fobs, as you'll need them all for this process. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. This procedure is generally applicable to GMC Yukon models equipped with a push-button start ignition system. Having all your fobs ready ensures a smooth and complete programming session for every remote. To begin, remove the emergency key from your primary key fob. Next, insert this emergency key into the key lock cylinder located on the driver's door handle. Now, turn the key counterclockwise to the unlock position 5 times within a 10-second period. The Driver Information Center, or DIC, should then display a message indicating that Remote Learn is pending, so please wait for this confirmation. After the initial step, you will need to wait for 10 minutes until the DIC displays Press Engine Start button to learn. Once you see this message, press the Engine Start/Stop button 1 time. The DIC will then show ready for Remote #1. Now, open your center console and locate the transmitter pocket. Place your new smart key fob into this designated pocket to prepare it for programming. With the new fob in the pocket, press the Engine Start/Stop button once more. The DIC will confirm the fob is learned and prompt for the next remote. Remove the fob and press either the lock or unlock button. Repeat for any additional fobs up to 8 total. To exit, press and hold the Engine Start/Stop button for about 12 seconds. For an enhanced reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Test all your fobs to ensure they function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.